What do you think has the potential well of students today?
See, I feel like ZABIST has a variety of students. There's a great degree, and what I really appreciated about a lot of the students here, they're in line with the modern technologies. So, for example, my dashboard is built on MERN stack, which is Mongo, Express, React, and Node. And a lot of the students were familiar with that, which I didn't find in other universities. So that was a plus point. And new sort of industries and sort of companies that are coming about. So I really appreciated the interest that they were showing. Apart from that, I think that the way ZABIST has done it has been very आराम से कि class के बीच में भी आ रहे हैं, फिर class पे जा रहे हैं, and different kind of students are coming throughout the course of the day. So I think that allows for a diversified sort of mechanism whereby a lot of varied students with different backgrounds, whether they be CS or BBA or even public health, there's a lot of variety which I sort of appreciated.